recognition of the way in which you move within your life, that's also going to be illuminated for you. So you can make changes, the necessary changes, in order to give your life more meaning for yourself in ways that you have been waiting for. Secretiveness for some of you. This may be quite alluring for some to get involved with secrets. But we would advise against it, as these secrets will be revealed. And it will be revealed to those closest to you. So be careful who you confide in. Be careful of the confidence of another with you. You do not want to be placed in a predicament you would rather not be in, i.e., holding a secret for someone close to you with regard to another that is close to you.